Ready to supercharge your Flutter apps with SMS capabilities? Let's jump straight into integrating Messagebird's SMS API. First, open your Flutter project in your IDE and navigate to the pub/YAML file to add the Messagebird package. We'll use a readily available, community-supported package for this. Look for one with good ratings and recent updates for the latest features. Next, you'll need a Messagebird account. Head over to the Messagebird website and sign up or log in. Then obtain your API key from the dashboard. Keep this key secure, as anyone with access to it can send SMS messages using your account. Back in your Flutter project, import the selected Messagebird package. Then, configure the Messagebird client with your API key. This initializes the connection to the Messagebird service, and you can pass it the API keys you were given. Now, let's implement the function that actually sends the SMS. This function will take the recipient's phone number and the message content as input and use the Messagebird client to dispatch the SMS. Make sure to format the phone number correctly, including the country code. Crucially, wrap your SMS sending code in a try-catch block. This allows you to gracefully handle any errors that might occur, such as invalid phone numbers, insufficient funds, or network issues. Displaying an error message to the user will enhance the overall user experience. Run your app and test the SMS functionality. A successful send should trigger a confirmation message in your app, and the recipient should receive the SMS shortly after. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Messagebird SMS into your Flutter app. Go forth and build amazing communication features.